Lesson 1-2, Concept 2, Solving with Subtraction. Our first concept had a problem with a subtraction in it. And in order to solve that problem, we had to add that value to both sides in order to get rid of it, in order to isolate the variable. The step is the same when we have addition. We're still trying to isolate the variable, but instead of adding to both sides, we're going to end up subtracting. Right? So we're going to take our value that's being added, in this case 2, and we're going to subtract it from both sides. And we end up with x equals 6 minus 2. And then we're going to solve for our variable. X equals 4. And it's that simple. All right, there is a little bit more to be concerned of with this type of a problem where you need to make sure that you keep the right order. This is a -2 we are putting on both sides. So we could mess up by having 6 or 2 minus 6. But as long as you keep your order correct, these problems should be fairly simple. All right, that's it.